How to add YouTube to the lock screen shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and tap on wallpaper install. Then tap on the left panel here. Now go down and select left or right shortcut and tap on it. Next, we go down to the apps section and scroll down and tap on YouTube, and then tap on done, and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. Here, if you want to quickly open up YouTube, you can just swipe it and YouTube will open. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alternatively, on the lock screen, you can touch and hold, then tap on the shortcut, and then scroll down and choose the YouTube app, and then tap on done. So it'll be quicker if you do it directly from the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video.